AI, omniverse, and generative intelligence. The future of humanity is AI-powered. Introduction. The future of AI, omniverse, and generative intelligence. Today, we're exploring groundbreaking technologies that are poised to revolutionize industries from advertising to robotics. But first, welcome to Tech Too Fast, where imaginations meets acceleration in the tech lane. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Now, let's dive in. Transforming digital advertising. Envision a reality where every advertisement you come across is uniquely tailored to your preferences and interests. A world where marketing messages resonate with you on a deeply personal level. This tantalizing prospect is the very essence of generative AI and omniverse, revolutionizing the landscape of digital advertising. In an exciting collaboration, we've joined forces with industry leaders NVIDIA and WPP to embark on a journey that will redefine the very fabric of the advertising industry, a behemoth worth a staggering of $700 billion. In this brave new world, the era of generic and one-size-fits-all advertisements is a relic of the past. Instead, AI-driven content engines are the architects of a marketing revolution, crafting messages that are not just eye-catching, but profoundly engaging. They mine the intricate nuances of your preferences, your history, and your desires to create advertisements that feel tailor-made for you and you alone. This dynamic partnership represents a seismic shift in how we conceive and execute advertising strategies. NVIDIA, with its cutting-edge AI technology, brings the power of generative AI to the forefront. This technology, honed to perfection, is the very engine of personalization, capable of crafting content that speaks directly to your heart and mind. WPP, a titan in the world of marketing and communications, lends its unparalleled expertise to this alliance. Their deep understanding of consumer behavior and market dynamics ensures that the AI-generated content aligns seamlessly with broader advertising strategies, delivering not just personalization but also strategic impact. The implications of this partnership are nothing short of transformative. As consumers, we find ourselves at the crossroads of new advertising era, one where the barrage of irrelevant and often intrusive ads gives way to a curated experience that respects our individuality. Advertisers, armed with the insights and capabilities of generative AI, can now craft campaigns that are not just effective, but genuinely appreciated. The power of digital twins. In our quest to craft visual content that is not only highly accurate, but also astonishingly realistic, we are venturing into the fascinating domain of digital twins. Through the seamless integration of Omniverse Cloud and the transformative capabilities of generative AI, we are embarking on a journey to fashion intricate digital replicas of products and to conjure immersive virtual environments that captivate the senses. In this ambitious endeavor, the boundary that once starkly demarcated the realms of reality and virtuality is beginning to dissolve, giving birth to a new era of creative possibilities. At the heart of this innovative approach lies the concept of digital twins. In essence, a digital twin is a meticulously detailed and dynamic representation of a physical object or system, mirrored in the digital domain. These digital replicas are not mere static images. Rather, they are living, breathing counterparts that evolve and interact with their real-world counterparts in real time. It's a symphony of data and digital artistry, resulting in an uncanny fashion of the tangible and the virtual. To bring this vision to life, we turn to Omniverse Cloud, a dynamic platform that serves as the canvas for our digital creations. Omniverse Cloud provides a collaborative space where creators and innovators can converge, working together to build, refine, and iterate upon their digital twins. It's a realm where imagination is bound only by the limits of one's creativity. Before we move on to AI-powered characters, have you already hit that subscribe button? Go ahead and click the subscribe button below. AI-powered characters. Now, let your imagination run wild. Envision interactive AI characters that possesses the remarkable ability to not only understand and interact with you but also collaborate seamlessly with you within immersive virtual worlds. These characters, brought to life through the ingenious power of generative AI, are poised to instigate a revolution in the gaming industry, giving birth to a future of video games that transcends anything we've ever known. Say hello to a gaming landscape where the lines between reality and virtuality are destined to blur, ushering in an era that promises to redefine the very essence of interactive entertainment. In this audacious vision, AI characters cease to be mere scripted entities and emerge as dynamic, responsive companions within the digital realm. They possess the ability to not only comprehend your intentions, but also engage with you in conversations that feel remarkably lifelike. The boundaries of traditional gaming narratives begin to crumble as these AI-driven companions adapt to your choices, offering a truly personalized and immersive gaming experience. The foundation of this transformative leap lies in the heart of generative AI, a technology that empowers AI characters with the capacity to learn, evolve, and create autonomously. These characters are not static entities, but dynamic beings that grow and develop over time, responding to your actions, adapting to your preferences, and becoming more astute with each interaction. It's akin to having companions who evolve alongside you, forging a unique and ever-deepening bond as you journey together through the digital cosmos. Imagine embarking on an epic quest with an AI character who is not just a passive observer, but an active participant in your adventure. They offer insights, share anecdotes, and even contribute to the unfolding narrative. The choices you make impact not only your character's fate, but also the trajectory of the story itself, with AI characters dynamically adjusting to your decisions, enabling a truly dynamic storytelling experience. Furthermore, the collaborative potential of these AI companions knows no bounds. Whether you're exploring the depths of a fantastical realm, solving intricate puzzles, or engaging in epic battles, your AI allies are by your side, seamlessly synchronizing their actions with yours. It's a fusion of human creativity and AI ingenuity, resulting in gameplay experiences that are not challenging but profoundly immersive. Reinventing video communications. Video calls have come a long way since their inception, but now, with the help of generative AI, NVIDIA Maxine 3D and Grace Hopper Superchip, we're ushering in a new era of video communications. 3D-generated video conferencing is on the horizon, promising enhanced depth and presence. AI-powered robotics. Robots are getting smarter, and they're learning fast. NVIDIA's Isaac AMR, coupled with Omniverse, is redefining the robotics landscape. These robots not only navigate and localize themselves, but can be trained in a virtual environment before they hit the real world. Welcome to the future of automation. Moore's Law and accelerated computing. We're witnessing an unprecedented era of accelerated computing. In just 5 years, we've improved computer graphics by a factor of 1,000 using AI. Moore's law is accelerating at a breathtaking pace. What happens when your computer is 1,000,000 times faster? Let's explore. Conclusion. As we wrap up this accelerating journey into the future, it's clear that AI, omniverse, and generative intelligence are rewriting the rules across industries. From personalized advertising to lifelike AI characters and blazing fast computing, the future is filled with boundless possibilities. Thank you for joining us on this incredible adventure, and stay tuned for more innovations on the horizon. Once again, this is Tech Too Fast. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell.